So you can see second coffee. Aywa, aywa, legendary discovery. I cannot sleep at all. You can see this is the tent. Wow. Big. 6 people can accommodate. So the good thing, you see, the people are coming for garbage collection also. It's very nice. You see, this is the government doing from the municipality. So you can see here all garbages. So they are collecting from the desert. It's amazing. This for the desert car ranger. It's very nice. Good initiative. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah. All are wake up. Slowly wake up. شوف. This is the tent. Sunrise. MashaAllah. You can see the tent. All are here. We are here. Yeah. So this is the place where we stayed. Alhamdulillah. Very nice area. Beautiful and wonderful. So going to be walk a little bit. I'll come back. So this is the nice location and people are wake up. For me, I cannot sleep whole night due to too much wind. Wind means like anything. So let's see the sunrise. Wow, wonderful sunrise with mountains. Wow, amazing. You can see here many people tenting. You see, big van, car. Wow, our area is big covering. So many tents, big, small, and alhamdulillah, we enjoyed a lot. And today morning we'll go for mountain riding. After sometimes we'll get breakfast from outside near to that area. Then we'll go for this my steps. I'm not wearing sandal, you see, like this. You can see here. Alhamdulillah. சூரியன் உதயமாகுது. எல்லாரும் முழிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் சில ஆளுக்கு இப்போ தான் முழிச்சிருக்கு, சில ஆளுக்கு முழிக்க போகுது. நாங்கள் போய் டீ கப்போச்சினோ குடிச்சிட்டு வந்தாச்சு. So we drink tea, cappuccino, everything. So this area for walking is very good. To small sand domes. You see the Subhanallah. How is the design?
our step. ما في اور step. How much we can find?
الشارع
لا الشيشة كده
هذه
10 minutes 12 minutes. كان حد ياخذ
هذا هفنا فيه بالليل نوم. هذا كله خرا.
Good morning, Faisal. How are you?
Very good.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah.
What's the degree now?
11.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah.
Too much scientists a day. We drink and eat and sleep in the set.
So people are discussing about yesterday night, huh? So what is the sound, Ismail? People are snoring like anything. Then only I thinking how the people are sleeping with wife.
I wanted to open the video and go by the tents one by one.
Yeah. That's actually I took also.
Did you?
I took, but the dark.
You